Okay, this one's Caveman Ninja. This had missing EPROMs, missing sound ROMs, bad PLD, bad FO4, and the wrong speed sound was a bad 163. Had to burn his PAL 2 times, 3 times. The first one didn't work. I think it's got to be a higher speed. Anyway, let's fire it on. Yeah, I knew this was PLD related, I just didn't think to burn it again, so that's good. Porch, you'll be happy, his files are good, as usual. It's my side. Yeah, demo sounds off. You can tell I've only just got it working. There we go. In fact, I'll put the 163 back in and let you hear it. Why not? So listen to the tune. It's okay, yeah? Just turn it off. Replace this. Look at that. No twist. So many times I've done that. Now listen with the bad one. Much quicker, and it eventually ends up out of sync. So there's your speed, 163. So there we go. Couple of faults on that. Not too bad in the end. You can hear it going out of sync already. Yeah, 163 for that. Bad PAL there. Excellent.